Okay, you may have probably seen these videos. These AI doctor videos are going viral on TikTok and Instagram, and of course YouTube. Users who are making these videos are receiving tons of views and followers. Here are some of the most well-known accounts that are receiving ton of engagement with this kind of content.
Drink hot water every morning on an empty stomach. This is what will happen to your body. If you eat watermelon every day, here's what will happen to your body. First, say goodbye to thirst.
There are several reasons behind the success of each account. Some of them are wide appeal, low competition, and high demand. It's quite obvious that everyone enjoys a quick health tip, but many people are unaware that this is even possible. So today, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral AI doctor videos yourself. I'll make them incredibly realistic, and the tool that we are using is Vidnos, and the website is vidnos.com. And we are using this website to generate our videos. Vidnos is kind of like an all-in-one AI video creation platform that allows you to do everything within the platform, from creating personalized avatars, adding voiceovers, and AI avatar animation. The process is so simple and quick that you can now even make a video while taking a nap. I'm literally joking. Moving forward to the step number 1, first we have to have a script. So let's create some scripts. Open the ChatGPT window. And here I'll instruct ChatGPT to assume the role of a doctor and provide 10 practical health advices regarding a particular fruit or practice. Remember, these advices should be accurate, comprehensive, and beneficial to a variety of users. And I'll ask ChatGPT to make each of these suggestions into a brief video script. And always make sure to double check these facts because we don't want to lie to our audience. A simple Google search would do the trick. Okay, now to create 10 video script, each script should have no more than like 250 words, let's say, and each video should begin with an attention-grabbing question or statement to draw viewers in. Okay, now move on to the step number 2. Here we are using go to Vidnos AI, and here the steps are simply register for a free account, and in the free account you can get free credits every day. And once you go inside, click on avatars, and here you can scroll down to locate the AI. Before creating the video, it's a good idea to add a nice background. And now you can click here and choose a suitable background. You can also find better options in the materials sections, which has Unsplash, a popular stock footage. You may have already heard about that website. And now here, hover over the tag doctor avatar and click on this portrait format. And now you can paste your script here. Okay, now that we have used this one, now let's add some background music. Make sure to turn this on and select the music that best suits to the video. The website will add the music to the background automatically. And finally, click the generate button. If you're planning to upload these videos to the YouTube, of course you're planning to upload these videos to the YouTube, keep out of using this site's background music. And now, while we are talking, the video is now complete. Now let's check this out.
Trying to watch your calories without compromising nutrition. Oatmeal is low in calories but high in nutrients. It's a perfect choice for a filling and nutritious breakfast without the extra calories.
Okay, now this is incredible. Now if you wish to download this, you can go back and you can here select 720 resolution. This is because social media platforms typically reduce the video quality to 720 anyway. Okay, now that's pretty much it. But wait, before we continue, I want you to show many of the other incredible AI tools available in this website. These tools range from voiceovers to AI talking images, AI cartoon creator, AI voice and background removal, AI avatar creation, and even the extremely uncommon face swapping. It is not that actually uncommon in today's AI world. Before moving forward to the next step, I would suggest experimenting with these tools and leaving a comment to share your thoughts and tell me what you think about these new AI tools and what are the tools that you want to learn about. Okay, now let's add subtitles to our video to make it easier for viewers to watch the video, read it. To accomplish this, we'll use the free app called CapCut. Now you can go to CapCut and create an account. I have already created an account. And now you can select the portrait video format and now update the timeline, drag and drop it with our AI doctor video. To have subtitles generated automatically, click here captions button and choose the auto captions. And now we can trim the lengthy sentences, and automatic subtitles will display by moving subtitles, text only to 1 or 2 or 3 words. And now let's position them in the center. And here you can click this to apply a preset. You can also adjust the font style and bold it. You can change the color. And I'll now focus on improving the visual appeal of this video. And also you can see there are a lot of effects in CapCut. You can test with all these effects. Okay, now you can see here's the one to add at the start of the video. And here's another to apply to the whole video. To ensure that it doesn't interfere with the subtitles, move it directly over the video. And next is to cut the video into clips of 5 to 10 seconds each. To do that, simply click and drag this indicator to any point and click here. Now keep repeating it for the entire video. Okay, now you can make every other clip zoomed in closer or do that any transitions. To do that, first drag this indicator on top of the clip, and then you can click and hold any of the 4 corners of the video, and you can then drag it, and you can adjust it, and you can add transitions as I told. And after doing all these things, you can click on the export to save your film button. And now that's pretty much it. We have created our video.
Trying to watch your calories without compromising nutrition. Oatmeal is low in calories but high in nutrients. It's a perfect choice for a filling and nutritious breakfast without the extra calories.
Now all you have to do is upload this to your social media accounts. You can directly upload this to each one of your social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or you can upload them at all once using third-party tools like Metricool. So I believe you have an idea about social media SEO. You have to learn this SEO to add your title, descriptions, and hashtags. If you don't have any idea about social media SEO, here's a video. In this video, I tell about the basics of YouTube SEO. You can learn them and you can search them and you can self-learn all these things. And if you want to learn about these kind of cool new AI tools, please hit that subscribe button. Let's meet with the next video. Have a great week.